Hi guys, today I'm going to tell you what are the applications of our diesel which comes from the used engine oil, hydraulic oil or gearbox oil, and we are converting that one with the help of our system. You can convert into diesel, and this diesel where are it can be applicable means first one is generator and heavy trucks, heavy equipment, excavators and forklifts or cranes and all other drum trucks or heavy lorry trucks. Those things can be used, and also you can use it directly, no issues. If you want to use it in Euro 5 or Euro 6 cars, you need to add like 20-30% diesel, regular diesel. It works fine with the CRD engine also, it's not an issue. So these are the various applications, and you can use it in a burners wherever the diesel is applicable. Our system here, it's for the distillation system, is mainly for the petroleum product waste, like used engine oil, hydraulic oil, gearbox oil. Those are the oils. For veg oil, it is a different process. It's called transesterification process. For the veg or cooking oil, can't be used in this distillation system. That is called biodiesel processor. Here, you can't use the organic oils. It is inorganic oils from the petroleum crude. We can use it here. Veera molecular distillation machines is only for used engine oil, hydraulic oil and gearbox oil. For veggie and cooking oil, Veera biodiesel processor will do. We give a complete turnkey solution for any oil if you have. Thank you so much guys.